Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iPhone 15, and now I can show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, you need to open the settings and just check how much space you have used. Only open the iPhone storage, and as you can see, I have used only 22 gigabytes of 128, so it's great. But remember the one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70%, because after this point your device is slowly but starting to slowing down, even if you have the newest iPhone. So if you have filled up your storage over the 80%, so just release the space on the device and it will make your device condition better. The next step you can do is to open the accessibility in the settings, then find the touch and click haptic touch and click fast. All animations on the iOS system are starting after the haptic engine will vibrate. So in this station you can make the haptic touch faster, and in this way animation faster too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.